Now we're going to notice one thing that's kind of important when we do this. Now I'm going to get a pop-up here on my Android saying, there's not an internet access here. Do you really want to connect? So yes, I absolutely do. So I'm going to say connect only at this time. All right, so if I go back to boot mod and I go back to vehicle, if you notice, it now shows I'm connected and talking to the car. So all good to go there for sure. So we've downloaded our map. We've made any adjustments we wanted to the map. We've downloaded a copy. It's here local on the phone. So then I'm going to go back to here and go back to my maps, scroll back down to the bottom. Here's the map that I want to apply. So again, I hit the 3 dots, just like that. Make sure that everything is good to go. And then I'm going to say flash. So I'm going to pick the top option. That's your standard ECU flash. Everything's good to go there. I'm going to hit flash. It says, do you really want to do this? Now, battery charger is highly recommended. It's a good idea. Now, I know that my battery is okay. I am going to reach over and turn my lights off just in case to reduce my power draw on the car just a little bit. This doesn't take very long. They've gotten so much better at this, and it's so much faster now that you can just click flash. So here it goes. There's so much more information here now. Now, if you've never done this before, you're going to see a series of interesting messages off your car. It's talking about power supply's got a problem, chassis stabilization's got a problem, all kinds of different things. Don't worry about that. You're fine. So there we go. Good, good. You can see it's coding the ECU. Sort of the car reset. Now it's going to clear all those codes that we just got as it was applying the tune. And bang, just like that, it's done. Okay, so all good to go there. What I love is the level of detail that they have now. They have so improved this app over time. It's really amazing. Now, if you'll notice here that it says the ignition cycle required, ignition off, wait 5 seconds, start the engine. Now, we're in diagnostics mode, so if you just hit the start button once, it'll come out of diagnostics mode. I'm going to reach up, I'm going to hit the volume power button, which will turn my ignition off, just like that. It said wait 5 seconds. I'm a manual, so I got to push in the clutch. Just like that. So then we just click done. And here we go. So now we've got the tune properly set.